What are some ways you can get money out of your Cash App if you need to get it out ASAP? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Hi, my name is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and I'm here to help you take control of your financial destiny. We talk about apps involving money on this channel, and today we're going to be focusing on the Cash App and how to get money out of your account, since a lot of people don't like to keep money inside their Cash App account for various reasons. Starting off with number one is you can actually cash out by clicking the Cash Out button in your Cash App. You do need to have a debit card linked to your Cash App account though, so if you want to find out how to do that, you can check this video out. But assuming you have that linked, just click on Cash Out and select the Instant option. Keep in mind that you will need to pay a small little fee in order to do this. The amount of that fee is on the screen right now, but it's pretty insignificant, and if you need your money ASAP, it's probably worth it. The second way that you can get money out of your Cash App ASAP is kind of a hybrid method, if you will, but you can actually send money to a friend and it gets the money out of your Cash App account. And let's say if they can give it to you in cash, hey, they get money in their account if that's what they want, and you get the cash from them. You can send someone money by just entering the amount on the home screen and clicking on the pay button. Once here, just enter someone's phone number, email, or a cash tag, and then you have the option to send them the money by clicking on pay. Of course, this does require another person, but there's actually no fee with this method, so that's something to take into consideration. These next three methods will require that you have the Cash App debit card. So if you don't have that, you can check this video out that breaks down how to sign up and get that. Assuming you have the Cash App debit card, the third method is you can actually go to an ATM and just simply withdraw the money. Keep in mind that this may come with certain fees depending on what ATM that you are using, but it is possible to do this. Just make sure you have a minimum of at least, I'll say $24 in your account, because if the ATM charges a fee, you need to have enough to cover that fee and withdraw money. And since $20 is the minimum required fee to withdraw anything from an ATM, you want to make sure you have at least $24. That way you'll cover the fee in almost all cases. Moving on to the fourth method. The fourth method we have to get money out of your account ASAP is actually to just buy something at a store that offers the ability for you to get cash back. So let's say you go to a gas station and just purchase some water, and you have $40 in your account, but you really want to get $20 out. You go ahead and purchase the water, tell the cashier that you would like $20 cash back, and they can make that arrangement for you. And if you had a self-checkout, you can do the same thing. The only drawback to this method is there may be a limit as to how much you can get out of your account depending on wherever you're buying something from. So that's something to take into consideration. And the fifth way is to link your Cash App debit card to one of Cash App's competitors like Venmo or Revolut, and then initiate a withdrawal from one of those accounts. Using Revolut as an example here, my Cash App debit card is linked to it. So all I gotta do is add money and select the debit card as the source. Once I do that, Revolut pulls the money out of Cash App via the Cash App debit card, and it's officially out of my Cash App account. Of course, this does require you to be signed up with one of Cash App's competitors like Venmo or PayPal or Revolut, just to name a few. And there we go. We've covered 5 ways you can get your money out of your account, Cash App account, ASAP. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I've talked about some of Cash App's competitors like Venmo and Revolut. I've recently started playlists on those 2 apps. So if you have any interest in signing up with them and finding out how to do certain things, be sure to check those out, as well as to check out the Cash App playlist if you want to know more about Cash App. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video if you found value in it, and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.